I am Emma, and I am the VP of Customer Care at System76. I analyze customer support tickets and customer surveys and find areas of opportunity for improvement. And I work with other departments to try to get the ball rolling on making those improvements happen. And I also help plan celebrations and events for the company and make sure that people's birthdays and work anniversaries are recognized. It was actually a Craigslist ad, and it was for customer service with an emphasis in social media. And I got excited about both of those parts, and then went to click on the website and found this community page on System76.com, which was it was a big group photo of an Ubuntu Developer Summit, and it was just so inviting and exciting to see a community around this software, this open source software, and I just got excited to join that. Yes, and I saw her Reputation tour and her 1989 tour, and I was going to go to the Lover tour, but that got canceled. But the Reputation tour was by far my favorite concert of all time. She would be Pop, of course, because she is the pop princess, and I think Pop is like the royalty of the Linux distros, in my opinion. So I do. I have a controlling cat named Stella and an adorable dog named Spaz. I like to go hiking and kayaking, and I like to go to the lake, and I like to throw parties. Right now is my party season, April through August, so I'll look at planning 1 to 2 parties per month, and that's what gets me most excited. We started with about, there was only 5 of us when I started, and the lab was like the size of a small bedroom with just a few computers in it and shelves of old tech, and it was kind of messy, and it was new. It seemed new and young. So since then, though, now we have a factory, which is the size of a lot of small bedrooms, and almost 80 employees. So it's definitely been exponential growth. I've been very fortunate and thankful to work at System76 because we work with a bunch of humans, and I don't feel as much as a woman in tech as I do a human in tech, which I think speaks a lot about the culture at System76. I'd say try to let go of any self-doubt and find someone to lean on. Those are probably the 2 things, and be strong. I love the people. We have such an amazing team of talented individuals, and it is so much fun, and it's so motivating to come to work every day to see what projects people have put out and what else is coming next. I see us manufacturing our own laptops. We've done such a great job on desktops and keyboards that we can only go up from here, so the laptops are going to be a great feat for us to accomplish. No. I just love the way it makes me feel every time I see it, and I think it does something special to my eyes, so it makes me happy and fills me with happiness when I see it.